Hello and welcome to another unboxing. Today I'm unboxing the Tunnel Vision by Itzy. I have both of the photo book versions and also the box version. And I also bought the Karma Keycap keychain. Keycap Keyring. And I also got some photo cards. So I'm gonna start with the keyring. So this is how it looks like. It's the Genera version. Oh my god, that's so satisfying. I love it. So this is how it looks like. Oh, I love this. Oh, I love this. Oh my god. This is going to go on my bag for sure. I love it. I was contemplating which ones to buy. They were really low on stock in my local K-pop store. And not all of them were available. So I was deciding between the Wiki and Ginny, and I bought Ginny, yeah. I love it. Well, now let's look at this. I was really surprised when I saw this in the package. Oh my god, of course. I love this so much. So yeah. It's obvious, but I did not realize I would get a PC with it. Yeah. So first I'm gonna do the photo book versions, I think. So I'm gonna move this to the side as well. And which one? This one. I'm gonna do this one first. So I'm gonna start with this version first. This is the A version, I think. I'm not too sure though. So let's see. I saw the ink. Oh, okay. Pull this out. Yeah. Let's look at the photo book. Oh my god. The main reason I really was excited about these photo books was because it was shot in my hometown. So I was so excited to see them like in places I usually go by. Are these? Oh yeah, these are lyrics. It took me way too long to realize. I was really confused. I also really like Television. It's just such a good song. As well as the video clip. I'm sorry for the glare. I'm not sure how much will it bother the video, but it's already light, so I need to have my headlights on. Credits. Yeah. So this was the A version, I think, of the photo book. And then there are the inclusions. Oh, the CD is pretty. Oh, it's sealed? Oh my god, no, it's sealed. I'm not sure if I want to. I'm not sure if I want to. I probably do. This is the poster. Oh my god, I love it. Actually, sometimes I go through this street when I go to school. So it's actually like so crazy. I don't know. It's unreal. The fact that they were here in Prague. It blows my mind. It blows my mind. I love it. I'll probably put it somewhere. Ooh, I love this envelope. So this is like a Polaroid. I love it. It's so cute. Oh, this is cool. Let's flip. These are stickers, I think. Yeah, I think so. I'm not sure. And this, I'm not sure. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Tunnel. Vision. Focus. Itzy. Oh my god, this is so cool. This is so cool. Oh my god. It's so creative. And at last, we have the photo cards. Gonna start with this one. Oh, unit photo card or group photo card. pretty. Yay. Ah, so pretty. So yeah, that was the A version of the photo book. I will put this away and we will look at the B version. So right now we are going to look at the B version. Alright, so this is how it looks like. This is the back. I'm gonna again what is kind of funny is how the cover does not make sense. The tunnel does, but then there's a Visoin. It is hilarious. It's hilarious. And actually, on the Stray Kids Do It albums, the GYP Entertainment here is misspelled, and it says Entertainment. I'm kind of excited to see my versions when they come, if they are also misspelled or not. It seems to be on the Do and It versions and not the accordion versions. But even some Do and It versions do not have it, so maybe it's rare case. So let's see. Oh, this is in the grocery store. I love it. It looks like to be Delmar. I was so shocked when I saw the pictures on the Instagram, the concept pictures, and there was like mleko sire, which means milk and cheeses. I was so shocked. You know, that's the thing. Yeah, hilarious. I wonder if they did another photo shoot on the metro station, because they recorded the video clip, part of the video clip there, and also some of the audios or shorts. I would love to see a photo book from there. That would be very exciting. So yeah, that was the B version. Now let's see what's here. Here's the CD. Again, sealed, which I do not understand. But oh well. This is pretty as well. I like this. This is the same, I think. I'm not sure. I'm not sure what is it, or is it supposed to be. I need to look at the pictures. Oh, it's a sticker. Another Polaroid. Oh, what's this? Oh, I see it. Oh, this is so cool. Like, I have not seen things like this anywhere. This is very cool. The last thing, I'm gonna again start with this one. Ooh, pretty. Actually, I'm gonna pull out the... Oh no, I have a duplicate. No. No. That's terrible. Oh my god. Well, happened. Pretty. So I have duplicates of the group pieces, but whatever. So yeah, that was for the photo book version. I'm gonna put it away and we are going to look at the box version. So now we will look at the box version and the last version for this unboxing. So this is how it looks like. It's pretty. How is it? Oh yeah. I really hope I will not. Oh yeah. I really didn't want to spoil the PCs for me, so oh my god, this is adorable. It's so small. I should look more at the sizes of things because I'm always surprised at how little everything is. This is so cute. But it's adorable. It's so small. Here is the CD, which is not sealed. So I'll probably use this one. I do play them, so that's nice. Here is a lyric book. This is pretty. What is this? And here is the photo book, I think. Oh, let's see. This is small. Oh, this is pretty. This is a tram, I think. Oh, it's really stiff. This is pretty. This is pretty. This is from metro station. Oh yes, here they are. Here they are. I love it. Oh, I love it. I'm not sure if this is... I think it's Angel, the one they shot the music video. Actually, it's not. It's actually here you can see Nemotsin which is the last station on the A line or the green line, and Angel, where the MV was shot is the B line or the orange line. So this is different station. I will need to look up the these things because they are different on each station, and they have some meaning behind it. I don't know it though. Oh, I love this so much. I love this so much. Actually, my absolute... I think this is... it's so hard because I loved all the photo books. I really love the metro station settings though. Probably the A version and this version and are on the same place, and the B version is under them, but I love all of them. They're all really pretty. So now we are going to look at the photo card. Cute. Sorry. Oh, right, like this. Oh, cute. This one as well. Again, upside down. Oh, I love these. These are so pretty. And now, the only thing remaining is this one. Oh, so, ooh, cute. This one. Oh, cute. I wonder if if they're going to be different. I think so. And this last one. This one's different. Oh, this is pretty. So, that's all. So, that was it for this unboxing. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Probably that will be probably unboxing of Duel. So yeah, see you there. Bye.